Are you looking for the best solar panels? In this video, we will look at some of the best solar panels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Reni 100 Watt 12 Volt Solar Starter Kit. Those looking for a reliable solar panel to charge a 12V battery setup may need to look no further than the Reni Solar Starter Kit. The kit comes with a 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel that is 42.2 inch by 19.6 inch by 1.38 inch, making it well suited for mounting on an RV roof or an off-grid shed roof. The solar panel comes with a 21% solar cell efficiency rating, and perhaps best of all, it comes with its own charge controller. Users will still need a 12V battery plus an inverter if AC power is desired, and they can start transforming sunlight into electricity. The kit is expandable with the purchase of additional panels, and it's also Bluetooth compatible. The Bluetooth module is not included. Product specs. Type: monocrystalline. Open circuit voltage: 22.5 V. Wattage: 100 watts. Number 2. Nupa 100W 12V polycrystalline solar panel. Looking for a solar panel to take camping or out boating that doesn't cost a fortune? Check out the Nupa 100W 12V polycrystalline solar panel, which is capable of generating enough power to charge digital devices. This is a panel-only purchase, so users will need a small solar generator to use the power. Alternatively, the panel can be attached to a 12V battery setup but will need a charge controller and inverter, not included. The Nupa solar panel is 26.57 inch by 35.83 inch by 1.18 inch. It comes with a junction box and cables for connecting a controller. This is a polycrystalline solar panel so that it won't charge a battery or generator as quickly as a monocrystalline panel. However, it will still reliably power digital devices such as smartphones and tablets. Best of all, it comes at an attractive price point. Product specs. Type: polycrystalline. Open circuit voltage: 20.23 V. Wattage: 100 watts. Number 3. GoZero Boulder 100 Mountable Solar Panel. Mounting a solar panel takes time and makes it a semi-permanent feature. However, the GoZero Boulder solar panel's kickstand allows users to set the panel anywhere without attaching it to a board, roof, or another object. The kickstand is adjustable, so users can fine-tune the angle to match the sun in the sky. The GoZero frame is also designed to accommodate mounting hardware, not included, for those who prefer a mounted panel. The GoZero panel features a monocrystalline solar cell. It is 26.75 inch by 40 inch by 1.75 inch, and at just 20 pounds, it's also a bit lighter in weight than similar size panels, so there is no need to sacrifice power for portability. Users will need their own generator or battery setup. Product specs. Type: monocrystalline. Open circuit voltage: 18V to 22V. Wattage: 100 watts. Number 4. Jackary Solar Saga 100W Solar Panel. Having a generator is optimal for charging devices at any time because the generator stores power that can be used later at night or on cloudy days. But hauling a generator around can get cumbersome, and that's where the Jackary Solar Saga 100W solar panel shines. Like other panels, the Jackary can be connected to a generator or battery setup, but it can also be used in a pinch to charge devices because it features built-in USB ports. Just fold out the attached kickstand and angle the panel toward the sun, plug in your device, and let it charge. The panel comes with one USB-A port and one USB-C port. It's portable, weighing in at a mere 5.5 pounds and measuring 22.83 inches by 19.69 inches by 2.36 inches. Plus, it comes with a handle for carrying. Product specs. Type: monocrystalline. Open circuit voltage: 21.6 V. Wattage: 100 watts. Number 5. Bluetti AC 200p portable power station with panels. Those looking for a complete solar system with plenty of power to charge devices and run household appliances may want to check out the Bluetti portable power station with its 2000-watt panels. The set of 3 high-quality monocrystalline panels can be mounted on a shed or cabin roof, angled toward the sun using the attached kickstands, or hung from their attached loops in a southern-facing window. This is a plug-and-play setup designed for users who don't want to worry about hooking anything up. Everything is ready to go, just position the solar panels and plug the cables into the generator to start charging. Although this is a pricey option, it can be used to power household appliances, such as refrigerators, coffee makers, and more, in the event of a power outage. Product specs. Type: monocrystalline. Open circuit voltage: 35V to 150V. Wattage: 2000 watts.